Come on guys, so now let me show you how the Dotsquares office is. Now let's step in, right? Come on. So come on, I will take you to the Salesforce floor where we exactly sit and our team sits there. Come on. Okay, so there's a secret door to surprise my Salesforce team. Come on, I'll just make them catch up. Come on. So now let me walk through where the Salesforce people sit. Come, I'll show you. So this is all of the Salesforce area where people sit over here. Now let me introduce you to Dotsquares Salesforce Bay Area, where all the AI developments, Agentforce developments come in place. So this is let me introduce you. Come on. So basically this is our team. Hey team. Hey, hi. So this is the team and hey buddy, what you doing? Great, carry on. So now the back people are Salesforce and my friends are Agentforce. So I'll just make you walk through how exactly we work it. We work on the, all the use cases. We talk about certain clouds like the Sales Cloud, Service Cloud, Marketing Cloud, and Experience Cloud, and all the industry clouds. So here's a game changer. The Agentforce, these are all our Agentforce team, right? We have been developing a lot of use cases, POCs, and we are making the customers happy, giving the exact right and top recommended Agentforce AI, right? So not only that, we have several teams, right, who works on Slack, who works on Tableau, right, and many other products, and we expertise in that. So well, I made you walk through the first floor, the entire Salesforce team. So now let me introduce to our Salesforce Practice Head, Yogesh Sharma. Come on. Hello. Oh, sorry. You on the call?
Yeah, just
okay, right. So he is Yogesh Sharma, our Salesforce Practice Head of Dotsquares. And how's it going?
all good.
All good. So actually we are planning to make our viewers, our trailblazers, agent blazers, Salesforce Ohana to showcase the Dotsquares Salesforce area, right?
I thought like you had brought a gift for me because my work anniversary.
Yeah, seriously, and we love to congratulate and just make you update because Yogesh Sharma's today is the first work anniversary, and we need and we need a lot of blessings for him and for us as well to make the Dotsquares Salesforce Agentforce running. So this is our Dotsquares Salesforce team.